This is a bike check for my friend Andrew. He doesn't want to be in the video. Alright, so we got kink human bars. Yeah, pretty hot. Snafu stem. Then we got primo pegs on both sides. Demolition back hub. Oh, I don't want to walk back there. And left hand drive. Right there. Well, whatever. We got a where is it? Left hand drive profile cranks. Profile spring drive. What the hell is that? Sprocket. Awesome sprocket. You see that? Yeah. See the sprocket? And we got kink Tanmal tires. Then we got with tampered top tube, and the forks are Kink Street and Mission pedals. Wait, I hear you. And those pedals. Then we got alienation rims and hub guard. Yeah. With kink. What is it? Oh, I already said that. What's the seat?
Kink pivotal seat.
Pivotal? Kink pivotal seat?
22.9 pounds.
And, yes, I know. And it's 22.9 pounds. And then we got my bike over there. It's a kink launch.
J bike.